Today feels like the perfect day for a little change. I think I'm going to visit Mom and Dad. I've been so busy lately that I haven't visited them in a while. I really miss spending time with my family.
Hi, Mom! How are you doing? I'm doing well, sweetheart. How are you? I'm doing great. Actually, I have a little surprise. A surprise? What is it?
I'm thinking about coming home this weekend.
Oh, Mia! That would make me so happy.
Did I hear someone say that my little girl is finally coming home?
Yes, Dad, I'm coming this weekend. I've missed both of you so much, and I'm really looking forward to spending some time together. So happy you're coming. It feels like it's been much too long since we had you here. I know, Mom. I promise I'll stay for the weekend. I just want to relax and enjoy some family time. I already know what I'm going to make for you. Your favorite homemade meal. Just the way you like it. Now you're making me even more excited. I've been missing your cooking almost as much as I've been missing you. Okay, I should start getting ready before I change my mind and stay home. Drive safely, sweetheart. We'll see you soon. After the call ended, I started getting ready. I wanted to leave early so I could enjoy the journey without feeling rushed. I'm definitely ready for a little family adventure.
The weather looks beautiful today, which is perfect for a road trip. I couldn't have asked for a better day to drive home and see my parents.
I locked the door, checked my phone one last time, and headed downstairs. Everything is ready. Now the only thing left to do is enjoy the trip. There's my car. I'm glad I checked everything before leaving. Now I can just relax, enjoy the scenery, and think about seeing Mom and Dad. The drive would take a couple of hours, but I honestly didn't mind. Sometimes the journey home is just as special as arriving.
All right, Mia. Let's go home.
As the busy city disappeared behind me, I started feeling calmer. The familiar roads brought back so many memories from when I was younger. I wonder if everything will look exactly the same when I get there. The city was far behind me now, and the road was becoming quieter. I always enjoy this peaceful part of the drive. It feels good to slow down and simply enjoy the view. Driving toward my parents' house always brings back childhood memories. I remember riding my bicycles around these same quiet roads. I was so carefree back then. I've been driving for a while, so I think a short break would be a good idea. I'll grab something to drink, and then continue the journey. Could I please have a warm coffee? Something simple would be perfect. I still have a little drive left, so this should give me some extra energy. I decided to sit for a few minutes and enjoy the view. There was something really relaxing about being away from the busy city. I could definitely get used to mornings like this.
That little break was exactly what I needed. Now I'm refreshed, and I'm ready to finish the drive to my parents' house.
The countryside looked even more beautiful than I remembered. Every turn in the road made me feel a little closer to home.
I'm getting excited now. I can't wait to see them.
Hi, Dad! I'm getting pretty close now. I should be there soon.
That's wonderful. Your mother has already started preparing everything.
Just stay on the main road and take the old bridge. You'll recognize the neighborhood after that.
I remember that bridge. I used to cross it all the time when I was little. As soon as I entered the neighborhood, everything started looking familiar. The old houses, the trees, and even the little corner shop were still there. I'm finally home! There it is, the house where I grew up, surrounded by so many memories. I can't believe how happy I feel just seeing it again.
I finally made it. I wonder if Mom is already waiting by the window.
Mia! You're finally here!
Mom! I'm so happy to see you. I've missed you more than I realized.
Nothing compares to a hug from your mother after being away for too long. I really needed this. Oh, sweetheart, I missed you so much.
Look who finally decided to come home!
Dad! It's so good to see you. I've missed your jokes and that big smile. For a moment, Everything felt exactly like it used to. Just the three of us together outside our family home. This already feels like the best weekend. Oh, sweetheart. Everything looks so familiar. Even the little decorations are still in the same places. Of course they are. We knew you'd noticed. Walking through this room brought back memories I hadn't thought about in years. I remember sitting here for hours after school. Oh wow, Mom! That smells amazing! I knew you'd be hungry after such a long drive, so I started cooking your favorite meal. You really didn't have to prepare so much for me. You're my daughter. Cooking for you is one of the things that makes me happiest. Everything looks wonderful, Mom. You really turned a simple dinner into something special. I wanted your first evening home to feel warm, comfortable, and just like the old days. That smell brings back so many memories. I remember coming home from school and smelling dinner from the hallway. And somehow, you always knew exactly what was cooking before you even entered the kitchen.
All right, Mia, enough talking. You've been driving for hours, so you should eat before everything gets cold.
I completely agree, Dad. I didn't realize how hungry I was until I saw all this food.
Mom, this tastes exactly like I remember. I don't think anyone can make this dish quite like you. That's because I've had many years of practice making it for you.
Do you remember when you tried to cook breakfast by yourself and almost burned the toast?
Dad, please don't tell that story. I was young, and I was trying to surprise everyone. Okay, I admit it. That breakfast was definitely not my finest cooking moment. But you tried, and that's what made it so sweet. We still laugh about it today.
So tell us, Mia, how have things been going with your work and your everyday life?
Things have been busy, but I'm learning to slow down and appreciate the little moments more. That's important, sweetheart. Life can become so busy that we forget to make time for the people who matter most.
You're right, Mom. I think this visit is exactly what I needed. Mom, you cooked the whole dinner. Let me take care of the dishes. All right, but only if your father helps us clean the table too.
Why do I suddenly feel like I've been assigned a job?
After dinner, we sat together and talked about everything and nothing. It felt so simple, but somehow it meant so much to me. I wish I could have evenings like this more often.
Oh wow, I haven't seen this album in years. I completely forgot how many pictures we had. We kept almost everything. You were always taking pictures and making little memories. Look at me! My hair was so short, and I had the biggest smile.
You were always smiling, even when you were getting into a little bit of trouble.
This was your birthday when you turned 10. You were so excited about that little cake.
I remember that day. I thought it was the best birthday in the whole world.
And here's the picture from the day you decided you could climb that huge tree by yourself.
Oh no, Dad! You promised you would never show anyone that picture.
I can't believe you still remember all these little things. Parents remember more than their children realize. Those moments are precious to us. Looking through those old pictures made me realize how quickly the years had passed. So many ordinary days had become precious memories. I'm really grateful we captured these moments.
Wait, you kept my old room almost exactly the same? Of course we did. We thought you might want to see it whenever you came home. I remember spending so many afternoons in here reading, drawing, and dreaming about the future. And now look at you. You've grown into such a wonderful young woman. I actually wrote down all my dreams in here. I wonder what I thought my life would look like. Maybe you should read it and see how many of those dreams came true.
Some dreams changed, some stayed the same, and some surprised me completely. But sitting here made me appreciate how far I've come. I'm glad I came home. Waking up in my old room felt surprisingly comforting. For a moment, it almost felt like I was a teenager again. I really slept well here. The morning looks beautiful from this window. I used to wake up and look outside like this almost every day. Mia, breakfast is ready. Come downstairs before your tea gets cold. I'm coming, Mom. I can already smell something delicious. There was something special about hearing my parents downstairs. It made the house feel warm and alive again. I think I could stay here forever.
Good morning, sleepyhead. Did you enjoy your first night back home?
I slept wonderfully, Dad.
I forgot how peaceful it feels to wake up here.
Eat properly, sweetheart. You had a long journey yesterday. Don't worry, Mom. With food like this in front of me, there's no chance I'm skipping breakfast.
I was thinking about how different everything feels when you come back home after being away.
That's because home isn't only a place. It's the people waiting for you.
I've been taking care of the garden while you've been away. The flowers have grown so much. It looks beautiful, Mom. I don't remember the garden being this colorful.
Let me help you with the flowers. I actually forgot how relaxing gardening can be. See? You've only been home for one day, and I already have you working with me. Mornings like this were exactly what I had been missing. No rushing, no busy schedules, just time together. I'm so glad I decided to come home.
I thought you might want to see something I've been working on.
Your workshop! Your workshop! I remember spending so much time here when I was younger.
Wait, you still have the little things I made when I was a kid?
Of course. They may not be perfect, but they're part of our family memories.
I can't believe this is still here. I used to play with it almost every day.
You loved that little toy so much that you refused to put it away. You once told me you were going to build your own little house right here.
I remember that! I had very big plans when I was little. The corner of the backyard seemed to hold another memory. I suddenly understood why coming home felt so comforting. So much of my childhood happened right here.
That tree was much smaller when you were little.
And now it's huge! I can't believe how much everything has grown.
You used to sit under this tree with your books and spend hours reading.
I think that's where I learned to love quiet afternoons.
You didn't need a big plan for the day. Just sitting together, talking and enjoying the garden felt completely perfect. I wish every weekend could feel this peaceful.
How about we go inside and bake something for the afternoon? Yes! I'd love to help. Maybe you can finally teach me your secret recipe.
Mom and I headed back to the kitchen while Dad followed us, already asking when the dessert would be ready.
Something tells me this is going to be another memorable afternoon. My weekend with Mom and Dad went by much faster than I expected. I wished I could stay a little longer. But it's time to head home.
I want to be comfortable for the drive, but I also want to feel fresh and put together. This outfit should be perfect for the journey home. Before leaving, I took one last look around my old room. So many memories lived in these walls. I'll definitely come back again soon.
Are you really leaving already? The weekend went by so quickly.
I know, Mom. But I promise I won't wait so long before visiting again. Take care of yourself, sweetheart, and call us when you get home. I will, Mom. Thank you for such a wonderful weekend. I love you.
Drive carefully, Mia. And remember, you always have a home here.
I know, Dad. That means more to me than you realize.
I waved goodbye and took one last look at the house. Leaving was difficult, but my heart felt full. See you soon, Mom and Dad. As I drove away, I kept thinking about everything we had shared. Sometimes you don't realize how much you need home until you return. I'm already looking forward to my next visit home again. It's nice to be back, but I'm taking a little piece of my parents' home with me. I feel refreshed, grateful, and ready for a new week.
Visiting my parents reminded me that the simplest moments can become our most precious memories. Family, laughter, good food, and old stories are things money can never replace. If you enjoyed spending this beautiful day with me and my family, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Bite English. Keep watching, keep learning, and join me for more fun, everyday English stories. See you!